my god.
They're eating me.
Hi. Hi. Oh my god.
Smile.
What is good, my friends? Oh, you guys. This one's my homie.
He wants more.
I'll fly away soon. Oh my gosh. Well, I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Hallelujah. Hallelujah. When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I can offer you a warm embrace, and there's no one there to dry your tears or hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet. That you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Don't forget me, I beg, I remember you said to. Don't forget me, don't forget me,
Good morning, vlogs.
Hey everybody.
It is like 7 something. Oh shit.
7:40.
7:40 in the morning. What are you doing, Graham?
We're catching a train. We're on our way to Cinque Terre.
Thank you, Viola, so much.
Yes, for real.
You are so kind and nice. Banana. We made it to where we needed to be.
Hi.
Update vlog.
What?
I said update vlog. Graham, I'll talk, you mouth it. You have to guess what I'm saying. Hi, everyone. We are going on the train now. Peace out. Peace. Peace out.
Things right there.
Okay, that could have been bad.
Well, so she looked at, I showed her, first we stopped, and then I showed her this, which is like our schedule. And she said
I was sleeping.
that this was the stop. And I was like, okay, we gotta get off.
And she's like, it's this one. We literally got off the train at the
And-
wrong stop.
But our train wasn't supposed to arrive at our stop until 10:39, and it was only 10:33. And so I'm like, I don't think we should get off here. And so we hopped back on.
But we were literally off the train and the beeping was going off. And if we were to have gotten off, we would have missed our other train. Graham, tell them. We can see the ocean from here. I think I'm zoomed on my face, but we can see the ocean from here. Just wait. The ocean.
We're in the tunnel.
Just wait, it will be worth it. In 3, 2, down. Oh, there's the ocean.
It's not even the ocean though.
What is it?
It's the Mediterranean Sea.
Is it connected to the ocean?
Through the Strait of Gibraltar, yes, but nowhere else.
Okay, well, that's the ocean. My goodness, and the mountains over there, and this. Ooh, we are going to Cinque Terre. It's gonna be beautiful.
This isn't my stop. I want to feel out. Get out of my way. What is Gucci, my dudes? Rio Maggiore.
Okay, so we've been on 3 trains, and then we got off at this one, and it's only an 8-minute walk
To our
hostel. So like, life's going
and the
well.
sea is right.
The sea is literally right there. Like, I can see it. I don't get it.
If we're even walking in the right direction.
Yeah, we are.
We are?
I don't know. There's a tunnel. Let's check again. Okay, guys, it is a huge hill. You can't tell, but we've been uphill this whole time, and it could just be because of our backpacks. But so right now we're looking for our hostel, and there's like no signs on any of these buildings. Just gonna have to somehow find it. Okay, so we assumed that the 25 meant 25 for our thing. And then we called that phone number and he was like, just open the box. In the box, which is just completely opened, it says there's a paper and get A3.
Will you hold it?
And then it's the key. So we're gonna show you guys our hostel. I'm kind of excited. Okay, so that was stressful. We could not open the key for the life of us. Basically, we were opening the key for the wrong place. I don't know, there's instructions on a sheet of paper.
Your place is in Via del Santiago. 2nd floor, 3 flights.
Kitty! Hi, kitty! Come here! Hi! We're on a damn scavenger hunt up in here.
Man, this is so confusing.
We had to get this. Tell us where we're at. On your right, there's a green door. I don't know. Please open. Open, open, open.
Literally.
What's this green little door? Maybe that's a key to another key.
Are you fucking serious? Never locking this door again.
This does barely open. And then we are on 2nd floor, 3 flights of stairs. Oh my goodness.
Great start to Cinque
This better be a damn good view. Walking our booty holes all the way up here and shit. We made it into our room. Woo!
We get this whole room?
Woo! Who's not? Jesus Christ!
What? Read the note. What room are we?
Where does it say room? You're 2nd floor, 3rd floor. That doesn't say what room we're in. Bruh. That seems like it's gonna be a closet, huh? Oh, this is us.
Is it?
This is us, yes. 2 beds, perfect. Okay, so Graham's gonna check other rooms because we're not sure if this is our room or not, because inside this room, there's like 2 other rooms and there's people in there. So I don't know. So this is where we put our stuff.
This is not.
What is...
No, a kitty is right.
You guys don't realize how steep this is?
The kitty could be our cat.
We saw a kitty. Oh my god, how is that car like not gonna tip over?
Oh, yeah. What the fuck? How is it the way the tires are?
How are you not gonna tip over? Oh, the door's still open. He's about to fall out of the car.
This is really
Oh my gosh. This is really steep.
Welcome to the Mediterranean.